doll, ducking, butterfly, bicycle, balloon, fish, kite, train, donut, ship, helicopter, ladybugs, bookshelf, ice cream, pencil, lunchbox, water gun, mirror, basketball, toothbrush, shampoo, camera, bird, parachute, television, calendar, picnic.
Enjoyed the video? Give it a like and subscribe for more.